To fix the error, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Scroll down. Over here you can see Visual Studio 2013. Click on it and you can install these two files, or you can even update for Visual C++ 2030. Click over here and then scroll down. Here English United States, you can, as per your language, you can install it. If you see repair, click on repair. If you see install, hit install, click on yes to allow. Download this x86 file as well. Again, as per your language, run this exe file. Again, if you see repair, click on repair. If you see install, hit install, click on yes to allow, and let the installation complete. Once installed, now go to this link once again. This link is provided in the video description. Scroll down. Here you can see x86 and x64 file. You have to install both the files, x86 and x64. Again, if you see repair, click on repair. If you see install, hit install. Download this x64 file as well. Again, run this exe file. If you see repair, click on repair. If you see install, hit install, and let the installation complete. Once the installation is complete, you have to restart your PC, and after the system restart, you can check. So that should help you to fix these errors. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to me.